Russo Electrical provides total reliability to all customers. As well, we work with only highly trained industry-certified electricians. And the person to talk to is Brenton Russo himself on 0478 740 546. We will organise for you an obligation-free quote straight away. Russo Electrical service both the commercial and residential home markets, offering a 100% job satisfaction guarantee, our seal of quality. Russo Electrical undertakes many services within their profession, such as general electrical contracting work, safety inspections, electrical repairs and maintenance, data installations, power and lighting installations, switchboard upgrades, home automation systems, how to automate your complete home at the touch of your fingertips, all at a practical price. It's no wonder many choose to use Russo Electrical because of their high standards of workmanship.